In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Smart Hose Timer by Rachio, and we're going to show you how to help green up your lawn with it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I cover a range of topics including tech reviews, home automation, and how-to videos for both home and automotive. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at Rachio's Smart Hose Timer. They just released this thing. Rachio is a very common brand name in the sprinkler industry, and as soon as they announced that they were going to release a hose-in timer, I just had to get my hands on this. By the end of this video, I will have answered the following questions for you. How much does this thing cost? What do you get in the box with this when you buy it? What are the key features of this? What does the smartphone app look like? And I'll share my final thoughts on this. So one of the things that helps keep your lawn nice and green is making sure that it gets enough water. You'll spend about $3,000 and on up on an in-ground sprinkler system, and sometimes it's just not in the cards for everybody. With the Rachio Smart Hose Timer, it'll allow you to hook it up to your outside hose bib and hook a hose right up to it with a sprinkler and use it as a timer. The price of this Smart Hose Timer is $99 for the kit, which includes the valve and the Wi-Fi hub. I'm not sure what the price is on just the extra valves, because you'll probably want more than one. But the kit with the Wi-Fi hub is $99. Right off the bat, I know that may sound a little pricey, but when you think about all the features that this thing has to offer, it helps you feel better about spending the money on this. I always say it's better to buy nice than it is to buy twice. Let's take a quick look and see what you get in the box. Here's what you get in the box. You have the hose-in timer right here. You have the Wi-Fi hub right here that connects to this power cable. You also have this barrel connector with power cable. And then you also have a little quick start guide. Kind of quickly shows you how to add it to your app on your phone. Now, look at this. This is really well designed and really well built. Got one little button there to turn on and off the water manually. You have a nice connector valve right here. Looks like brass inside here with a little bit plastic for grip here, and then a filter. And then on the bottom side, this is plastic, but what's really nice is this is brass, so this is connected to your brass or your brass faucet or hose bib. So that's really nice. And then you have two screws here that'll allow you to lift this up for battery replacement. The Rachio Smart Hose Timer boasts a multitude of features that are worth considering. Its main valve connects to a Wi-Fi hub via Bluetooth, which then communicates with your home Wi-Fi network, 2.4 gigahertz only. It's important to note that the hub must be within 200 feet of each of the hose-in timers, and it requires the Wi-Fi connection and internet access to work. The Smart Hose Timer is powered by 2 AA batteries, which are not included, and the battery life depends on the usage and temperature that the thing sees. The minimum temperature for operating the device is 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Anything less than that, you probably want to leave this inside. The Smart Hose Timer is rated for water pressure between 10 and 100 psi, but it has been tested up to 200 psi. Most homes that I've seen have less than 100 psi of water pressure, so you're covered here. The device comes with a 1-year warranty for the Smart Hose-in timer and a 2-year warranty for the Wi-Fi hub. With the Smart Hose Timer, you can turn on the water outside of the watering schedule by pressing the button on the device. It'll open up the valve. By pressing it again, it will close the valve. It also features a flow meter to monitor water flow. Although the app shows alerts, it currently does not provide notifications if the actual device is on and there's no water flow, but that should be added in the future. The device also has a rain skip feature, but the company is planning to expand this functionality with their rain or their weather intelligence capabilities in the future. Let's go ahead and take a quick run through the smartphone app and see what it looks like. All right, here is the app. Once you get in here, it's showing me how many valves I have and the Wi-Fi hub. Tells me how good of a signal the Wi-Fi hub is, and then right now I named the valve back because I put it in my backyard, and it's telling kind of the battery life as well. You have a quick run guide right here, or a quick start here, so you can go ahead and I can tap that, and it'll ask me how long do you want to run if I want to run it manually, I can run it right now for 10 minutes. It'll run for 10 minutes, and so on. You can go ahead and click in on it, and right now a little bit bigger view here, and it does have a photo of the valve. I can take a picture of my backyard, and if you have more than one valve, you can at least take a picture of what you're going to be watering so you know exactly what they are versus just the text. So right now, I can add a valve I want. I hit play again, and this will allow it to run for whatever I specify. And then they do have 3 dots here where I can edit the photo. The settings on the top right gives me technical information about the actual valve, and then I can update my Wi-Fi network. I can see my events. So this is I went ahead and put in some events like pre-schedules here, or a schedule here. So you can see I did every 3 days for certain things and every 5 days for another one. So right now I have it run for 15 minutes every 3 days. So the next one would be Sunday. And then I have one for planners, which I just named. It is a name that was already in there. I have that every 5 days, and as you can see here, that's for 20 minutes. So my next one on that one is Tuesday. Now, if there is a rain delay that's going to show up here, it will show you on this that there might be a rain delay. Also, if you go to past, it will show you right now, it's showing you what I've done in the past, but it will also show you why it skipped it, whether it's a rain delay or whatever. Right now you can see it says no flow detected. That's your error. I wish it would give you that error message like, hey, there's no flow going on, at least a notification on my phone. So Rachio, if you're hearing this, do that, please. But at least I can tell that, whoops, forgot to turn on my water. And if we go back, let's go back here, and I can, well, there we go. I can go down to schedules, and this allows me to edit my schedules. Right now I have one for back, one for planners. I don't know why I named it differently because it's only one valve, so it wouldn't really matter. But if you go to create schedule, select the valve you want. You do it by days, so you can select the days you want to do it, or you can do it by daily, or how many every other certain days, every 21 days, all the way to every day. You can do that. So let's do every day. Let's go next, and we can start this at, say, 25 p.m. Let's do that. And then how long do you want to run for? 8 minutes. Say it. Boom. Next. And then I can say it starts today and ends. Maybe I want it to end the end of the month. Done. Next. And then it says skip schedule when it rains. So you can enable this or disable it. So yes. And then we can name the schedule if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that right now. So that's kind of cool. That's the app. Here are my final thoughts. I realize that there are quite a few hose-in timers out there. However, most of them are not smart, and some of them aren't able to connect to the internet with a smartphone app, which is not the end of the world, but it's nice and it's smart. This hose-in timer is priced about right with all the other Wi-Fi capable hose-in timers, and also has an excellent build quality. Unlike others where you only get a plastic hose connector, this one has a brass connector where it has a plastic grip around it to make it more durable. Making use of this rain skip feature will help you by allowing you to skip watering when it's not needed, and that way you're not wasting money if it's raining outside. As they continue to come out with improvements, this thing is just going to get smarter and smarter and smarter. Like I said, the hose-in timer with the Wi-Fi hub, the kit is $99. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out in current pricing. And once they release just the actual hose-in timer so you can add additional ones, I'll put that in the description below. But at this point in time, I couldn't quite find it. I'm not sure that's available yet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching.